Let's take a quick look at the new Cree Noctura series. Noctura provides excellent Cree level quality, but at a competitive price. You get really excellent results, but you also minimize labor with several innovations. You can get it in an area, wall pack, or floodlight. For the area light, you can replace all the way up to 1000 watt HID. It also comes with standard distribution types. The modular design allows you to get the housing and the mount separately. You can get trunnion, slip fitter, or direct arm mounts with optional controls. For the wall pack, you can replace up to 400 watt high pressure sodium, and it comes in a Type 3 medium optic. The swivel door design allows easy installation, and there's a front panel knockout to allow a field installed photocell. For the floodlight, you can again replace up to 1000 watt HID, and there are optics for most common flood applications. Again, that modular design allows you to mix and match housings with various mounting and control options to meet your every need. The modular design improves both the flexibility and product availability, but the quick connect wiring ensures that installation will be quick and easy. All in all, Noctura gives you consistent style and performance in your outdoor lighting without paying a premium.